Hello student, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the topic synthesis of sentence. Okay. Before starting this chapter, we have to learn some important point that is very important for you to learn about the synthesis. Okay. First is synthesis. It is depend on the sentence. Okay. And everyone know about that. What is the meaning of sentence? Okay. Sentence is divided into three forms according to the structure of sentence. First is simple sentence. Simple sentence, all the tense that is the included in the 12 part of the tense, it is known as a simple sentence. Okay, like a Ravi is running on the road. It is a form of simple sentence. Riya cooks food. Okay, it is also a form of simple sentence. Second sentence is complex sentence. Complex sentence. Complex sentence. Complex sentence. It is also a part of the sentence. Okay, it is a sentence, but in this sentence we have to include two clause. Okay, clause is also a sentence that has a subject and the finite verb. Okay, so when we include two sentences, combine the two sentences and make the one sentence, that is known as a complex sentence. And one is the difference between the complex sentence and the simple sentence is, in this sentence we have to got two clause. Okay, and the simple sentence has only a single sentence that has a one subject and one finite verb. But in the complex sentence we have two subject and two helping verb or the finite verb. Okay, and it is combined with a conjunction word. What kind of the conjunction word? It is combined with the subordinate conjunction word. I give a single example like a he went to market. Okay, that he brought a book. It is a sentence, but in this sentence you can see there are two subjects. One is here he and second is here he. There are both sentences express their one finite verb. First one is went and second verb is brought. But both clause add by a conjunction word. Okay, the conjunction word is that. Next, I take another example of the complex sentence like a Meera sings a song. Meera sings a song. Whereas Ravi play piano. Okay. In this sentence, you can see there are two subject. One is the Meera and second is Ravi. Okay, and it has a finite verb. The finite verb here is in the first clause here. Finite verb is sings and second is play. Okay, play is a finite verb. So we can say that the complex sentence has a two clause. Okay, and one clause is a principal clause and second clause will be the subordinate clause. How we can identify principal clause and the subordinate clause? In the first sentence you can see here Meera sings a song. Okay, this sentence completely independent. There is no any reason that depend to the other sentence. But second sentence is where H Ravi plays a piano. This sentence depend at the first sentence. So this is the independent sentence. It's also known as a principal clause. And here the subordinate clause. And we can say that it is also a dependent sentence. Dependent clause. Why? Because this clause depend on the first clause. So whenever we got one clause independent or the principal clause and second sentence is dependent at the another sentence, another clause, that type of the sentence known as a complex sentence. I hope you all understand. Next and last one is compound sentence. Okay, when you read about the conjunction word, then you have already know about that the conjunction word have a two parts. First is the coordinating conjunction, second is the subordinating conjunction. When we add the subordinating with the clause with the subordinating conjunction, then we make a complex sentence. But when we add the two clauses with the help of the coordinating conjunction, then it will be compound sentence. No, so our third sentence is compound sentence. Okay, compound, you know very well about what is the meaning of compound. Compound means to combine two sentences or the add a two clause. Okay, so here the compound make a two simple sentence of a one sentence. Okay, so this compound sentence also add by the conjunction word, and the conjunction word is a coordinating conjunction. This is the conjunction word make a two simple sentence a single sentence. Okay, so first I give a single example like a he jumped in the river, but she sat under the tree. Okay, so you can see here this is the sentence and it has a two clause. Okay, one clause is here he jumped in the river, and second clause is here she sat under the tree, but she sat under the tree. So first clause known as a principal clause. Okay, first clause also called as a principal clause, and second or the remaining clause called as a subordinate clause. But here the but used with these sentence. Okay, so it is also known as a principal clause, but in this sentence we have to not use a two simple sentence, two principal clause. Why? Because here the principal sentence and it is also express the independent meaning. Okay, there is no depending of the first sentence, so it is also a independent sentence. So it is a coordinating clause. Okay, coordinate clause. So we have to say that when the two independent sentence make a single sentence or make a one sentence, that is the known as a compound sentence. Okay, so here the principal clause, it is also independent clause, and here the second clause, that is also independent clause. But both sentences, both clauses combined by a conjunction word, and this conjunction word is a coordinating conjunction. Okay, so this type of the sentence, that is the add by the coordinating conjunction, it is known as a compound sentence. And another thing that when the sentence has a two clause and both clause are the independent, that is the not dependent to each other, then we have to say that this type of the sentence known as a compound sentence. Okay, and it is a single word how to we can change the simple sentence, means the two simple sentence into a one simple sentence. Okay, and compound sentence or complex sentence. Okay, complex sentence make a simple sentence or the compound sentence make a simple sentence, or two simple sentence make a complex sentence and two compound sentence. Okay, compound sentence two simple sentence make a compound sentence. It is the process of the sentence that we have to change the sentence into the different form. Okay, and this type of the sentence known as a synthesis. Okay, synthesis it combine the sentence, two sentences. Synthesis combine the two sentences, and these sentences make the one simple sentence, make the complex sentence, and make the compound sentence. Okay, so this, before learning this synthesis form, we have to knowledge of the sentence. There are three part of the sentence. Three part of the sentence: simple sentence, complex sentence, and last one is a compound sentence. Okay, simple sentence that has a one subject and one finite verb. Okay, and complex sentence means that has a two clause. Okay, two clause add a one sentence, and clause has a two subject and two finite verb. But one sentence, first sentence is a independent, or the second sentence is independent, but one of the sentence will be dependent onto other sentence. Okay, or other clause. And compound sentence, it has a also two clause. Okay, it has a also two clause, but one clause. It is a one clause is a principal clause, and it is a independent clause. But second clause also a independent clause. So we can say that a compound sentence has a two clause, and both clause are known as a independent clause. That is the not dependent to each other. And these clause also combined by the some coordinating conjunction. So these type of the sentence known as a compound sentence. And we have to change these sentences, make these sentences with the help of the synthesis. Okay, with the help of synthesis, how we can change it? Like a two simple sentence like Ravi running on the road and see Ravi playing in the field, etc. These simple sentence combine the one complex sentence, and two simple sentence combine the one compound sentence. And not only we can change it into the complex and compound sentence, the complex and compound sentence are also convert into the simple sentence. Okay, so it is a simple process. It is a simple process to convert the synthesis. Okay, so I hope you all learn about this foundation of the synthesis. In the next video, I will explain about how to simple sentence transferred into the complex or compound sentence by the help of the participle, infinitive, and other using the gerund. Okay, so we have to make in the next video. So thank you for the watching this video.